what we're drilling now is just in the back of the cupboards, the leads for the electrical cables. We've got a power point going here, one on the back there, and we've also got the main cooktop one as well. So now we're actually just installing the island part of the kitchen. So we've got our first cupboard, we've leveled it up, we've screwed it aligned with this cupboard here. Now all we need to do is to actually just make sure that it is the right distance. So always just double check. 975 and 975. So it's the same distance on either side, that's correct. And what we also do too is we actually level it up with the existing kitchen, and then we level it up, of course, this way and that way. We've already done that, that's just by adjusting the legs, so that's all good and ready to go. Okay, just putting in the breakfast bar panel now, aligning that up. Checking to make sure it's the right level. And then clamp it up and screw fix it off. Checking the overhangs. Making sure you got the same overhang on both sides and 20mm at the front. And now all you do is you simply screw the bench top down